What happened, I was in the courtroom. Mehserle, he was testifying. He got to the part where he killed Oscar Grant, you know what I mean? And he started crying, you know what I mean? And I felt it was a load of crap, you know what I mean? Because it's been a year and a half and this is his first time ever getting on the stand crying. He hasn't apologized to the family, so I basically thought it was a load of crap and I couldn't hold it in, man, you know what I mean? I couldn't hold it in. I had to stand up and say something.
Tell us what you said.
I stood up and I said, man, you can save those fucking tears, man, you know what I mean? Because if you really wanted to cry, you should have did it. You should apologize to Oscar Grant's mom. You know what I mean? You killed her son and you ain't have no words for it, but you're gonna wait till you get on the stand and then start crying? You know what I mean? So that's basically what I just thought it was, a rehearsed testimony. After I was taken into custody, I got arrested by like 8 bailiffs, you know what I mean? And they basically just took me down for contempt of court. One of the officers, McDonald, I got his name, he was pushing my head against the wall, telling me to shut the F up, you know what I mean? There's court in process, so, you know what I mean? They basically just arrested me and took me to LA County. And I did 3 days. They dropped my charge to disturbing the peace. I got to stay away from the 9th floor and, you know, $160 fine.
I noticed they were videotaping you when you were taken into custody. What was that all about?
I think they were videotaping because, I don't know, I think they're scared of lawsuits or something they don't want me to say, but I wish they would have bought the video camera before while the officer was pushing my head against the wall. They brought it in later, you know what I mean? So they pretty much got me cooperating with them. I wasn't really being too belligerent or resistant after they got me in cuffs.
Were you just released?
I actually was released yesterday. Yep, so they let me go yesterday and came back out with my comrades and we back out here fighting for justice for Oscar Grant. Man, I'll do it 100 times over again. No regrets at all, man, because like I said, man, this trial has been a hypocrisy to me of the justice system since from day one, you know what I mean? They blocked evidence. They've been treating like Oscar Grant supporters, spectators, like we're the ones on trial, like we're the criminals, you know? And we're coming to just make sure that the justice system, they tell us to let the justice system work and play its part. That's what we came here to do, and it seems like they're trying to hinder us from doing that. No regrets at all, man. I would have did 3 months in jail. I would have did 6 months in jail, man, because this is what I believe in. I believe that Mehserle is guilty. I believe he's guilty, and I believe he should be convicted, you know? LA County Prison, man, I seen about 50, 60 people in there for gang injunctions, you know what I mean? The same thing I'm fighting for in Oakland. That's only the creator above that put me in LA County so I could see how gang injunctions is affecting LA. You know what I mean? Because the Oakland doesn't even have it in mind or how the gang injunctions is going to affect Oakland, but it's affecting LA badly, man. They're getting these youngsters out here for contempt of court, for gang injunctions, and giving them 9 months for parole violation, you know?